Good day everyone, especially to our training director, Father Leo F. Pulutan, SDB. My name is Zelo Dimpas Aliocod. I live in Purok 7B Poblacion, Banay-Banay, Davao Oriental. I'm 20 years old. I'm independent person. My hobby is singing, dancing, and playing basketball. I have planned last year to train here in Don Bosco Training Center, Mati, but sadly I stopped because of financially problem. My life is not easy. I always pray a better day. I work on Davao City to earn money because of my plan. I wanna train on Don Bosco Center Training Mati. I pray and I hope this year is a better day to start of our journey to become my dream. Like you, I'm a poor person. And like of all, I have a dream. And I'm willing to work hard to become my dream. Because I wanna help my family. And I know Don Bosco Training Center Mati is the best choice to become my dream success. Thank you for accepting me Don Bosco Training Center Mati. Again, have a great day. Thank you.